In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ovulation calculator in WordPress. Unfortunately, since WordPress doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you'll find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath forms right here, I want you to click on calculator, which will be option number 2. Then you'll be taken to the calculator widgets page. If you scroll down a bit, you will see this create widget for free button. Click on it, and then you'll be taken to the calculator templates section. So from here, I want you to scroll all the way down until we find the fitness and health calculator section. Click on that, and then I want you to go to page number 4. So this is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and then you'll see ovulation calculator right here. Now this is what it's going to look like by default, but don't worry about the actual design or the functionality of the calculator, because we can customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen right now, and that includes the design as well as the functionality of the calculator, like I said. But yeah, once you've selected this template, go ahead and click on continue this template at the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then you'll be taken to the place where you can start customizing the calculator to your liking. Now the first thing we're going to do is customize the back end of the calculator, or in other words, the way the calculator functions. So if you take a look on the left hand side here, you have 2 different fields. So the first one is first day of your last period, and then obviously the menstrual cycle length right here, and these fields represent these 2 fields right here on the calculator itself. And at the bottom here, you also have the calculations, which basically allow you to get this output right here based on your input. So for example, if you do day 1 to day 5, then this is automatically going to change based on the input that we select right here as well. So yeah, in terms of the fields and the calculations, we can actually delete certain fields by clicking the 3 dots and then delete. You can do the same for the calculations. You can also edit certain fields and calculations by clicking on them and then modifying the values right here. In this case, you can also modify the calculation if that's relevant for you. If you want to, you can also add more fields or more calculations to the calculator if you find that's relevant. I just want to mention that when it comes to adding calculations, it's pretty simple. You don't actually need to know what the formula is or how it works, because you can click on generate with AI right here, and then you can briefly describe what you're looking for, and then it will automatically give you a formula for the functionality. And yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to the back end of the calculator. On the left hand side here, you also have style and settings. These are all the different settings that you can take advantage of to customize the visual aspect of the calculator. So for example, if we don't want this blue line here to be blue, we can obviously go to field accent color and then change that to yellow, orange, or whatever the color you might want it to, pink even. Click on done, and as you can see, it automatically reflects right here. And yeah, by the way, any changes they make on the left hand side here will automatically reflect on the right hand side. That includes the design or the functionality or the formulas. That basically allows you to quickly and easily test the functionality of the calculator in real time based on the changes that you're making, so you can make sure that it works the way you want it to. But yeah, once you're done customizing your ovulation calculator and you want to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your ovulation calculator widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can start publishing it. So go ahead and click on publish in the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is the place where we need to choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just starting out, this might be perfect for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, if you want to use more than 1 widget, or if you want to get more views on your ovulation calculator, then obviously you can go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different ones they can go with. And if you choose to pay annually, you can also save quite a bit of money, which is pretty nice. But yeah, once you've selected the plan that you want to go with, you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your ovulation calculator. It will look just like this. So go ahead, click on copy code, and let's head over to WordPress so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already on my WordPress editor and on the page where I want my ovulation calculator to be. From here, what you want to do is click on the plus icon on the top left corner of the screen and then search for HTML, just like this. And then click on custom HTML right here, which will add a custom HTML block to your WordPress website. From here, simply paste the code we copied previously from Elfsight, give it a couple of seconds and click on preview. And then in about a second or two, your ovulation calculator will be added to WordPress. This is what it looks like for me. Super nice and clean and also fully interactive, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create an ovulation calculator in WordPress. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.